Raise your hand. Who hates math homework? I know I did, but Samsung Notes can help you with that and so much more. In this week's video, we're going to talk about how Samsung Notes can help with your math homework, can organize your notes, and so much more. Let's chat about it. How do tech lovers, entrepreneurs, and busy freelancers stay productive without drowning in bad tech, apps, or chaos? That's the question, and this YouTube channel will give you the answers. My name is Nick, and this is Let's Chat Tech with Nick. Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Nick, and this is Let's Chat Tech with Nick. Now, it's no secret, I absolutely love all things Samsung, especially Samsung Notes. Samsung Notes is an app that I use all day, every day, especially with my Z Fold 4. I'm out in meetings, taking notes for videos. I'm always using my inner display of the Fold 4, taking notes. But there's so many different really cool hidden features, tips, tricks that a lot of people don't know about it. So we're going to talk about that in this week's video. So let's dive into the first tip I want to talk about this week. Now, first things first, math may not be everybody's strong suit. I enjoy math, but when I was in school, I hated it. So whether you're in class or you're helping your kids with their math homework, Samsung Notes can help you with that. And here's what we're going to do. So we're going to go into our Samsung Notes app. And the first thing we're going to do, we're going to open a brand new note. And let's just click on the three dots in the top right-hand corner. And you're going to turn on Math Solver. Now what we're going to do, we're going to select a pen. And we're going to go 50 plus 50. And automatically Samsung Notes will give you the answer right then and there. And you could do that with complex math problems or just regular math problems as well. And let's just say we didn't have the Math Solver on. So we're going to turn that off. We're going to erase what we just did. And I'm going to go 50 plus 50 again. I'm going to take the highlight tool. We're going to highlight that. If it recognizes my writing here, if you hit the three dots on that pop-up menu that came up when we selected our text, we're going to hit Convert Math. Obviously, it didn't see exactly what I wanted, but that's another way to get to what you're doing on Samsung Notes as far as solving math programs. So that's the first really cool quick tip. Let's dive into the second one. This second tip is going to show you how you could take multiple notes and jot down ideas within notes so it doesn't make your original note super messy. Here's what I'm talking about. So let's start a brand new note here, and let's just say we're taking notes in class. So we're going to go, the note app is awesome. Now, let's just say I had an idea for a project I was doing while I was taking notes. If you hit the plus icon, you can add a sticky note to your page. And we're going to type in note 2, and we can minimize that, grab it, and then move it out of the way, continue taking the note that we were taking, and then we could go back to that sticky note. You could change the color of the sticky note if you wanted to, and you could resize it. You can move that around on the original page, minimize it again, and continue with your note. So if you're in class or if you're in a meeting and you had an idea that popped in your head, instead of writing it on your main page to get lost with all of your notes, you could put a sticky note there real quick. So when you're reviewing your notes, it's there. You can jot that idea down in your second brain, and you don't have to leave Samsung Notes to go into your second brain to take extra notes for the extra ideas. That's the second tip. Let's dive into the third and last tip for this video. This last and final tip has to do with Galaxy AI. Now, I know not a lot of people like AI. I use it as a tool to help me and to kind of get the ball rolling for a lot of different things. But when it comes to Samsung Notes, let's just say you've taken an extremely long note and you don't want to go through and read every single step, you could have Samsung Notes summarize that for you. And that could be in handwriting or in text format. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go into our Samsung Notes once again. And let's just say I'll use this handwritten YouTube framework note that I've created. And I've also made a video talking about this. So if you want to check that out, I'll put a link to that as well. But let's just say I want to summarize some of this note here. So I'm going to hit the Galaxy AI in the top toolbar, and then I could translate it if it's in a different language, but we're going to hit the summarize button. Now, we could select more than this, but let's just select the maximum here that we can select. So it's going to take the 2 pages. So you're going to have to do this a couple times. You've an extremely long document, but we're going to take these 2 pages and we're going to generate the summary. So it's going to convert it to text, and then it's going to highlight exactly what it was that you wanted to summarize. So if you got a long note, it's super simple. You can summarize whatever you need. Now, if you want to hit that little toggle with the line on the side, you can hit the standard or the detailed summary. So if you take a lot of notes, it's going to give you an even more detailed summary just by clicking that button. So that's the third really quick and final tip. So there you have it, a really quick video with 3 really quick, super fun tips that I use almost every day. Not every day, but I use Samsung Notes every day, and those are features that I use all the time, especially the sticky notes feature. Now, if you like my Samsung Notes videos, let me know what you would like to see. Put that down in the comments and I'll make another video. But with that, that's all I have for you. Nice quick video. If you liked the video, got some value, please feel free to like, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you on the next video.